Hello and welcome to this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedren. The annual staging of the Jamaica Creative Writing Competition and Exhibition Award ceremony took place last evening at the Pegasus Hotel. The event, hosted by the Jamaica Cultural Development Commission (JCDC), an agency of the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment, awarded the top writers in the areas of essay, novel, play, poetry, and short story. The competition saw big wins, which included Rowan Facey, who was named the best overall writer, while the second went to Nadia Grant. The night also saw performances from Clancarthy Primary School, Maylin Dillon, among others. The competition has been one of the best channels of providing writers with the opportunity of recognizing and validating their writing talent while showcasing and promoting writers and their original work. This year, the competition saw over 75 outstanding amateur and professional Jamaican writers who entered with their creative works. Dancehall artist Alkaline is back on the scene with a new single dubbed Elite Only. The track, which was released yesterday, is currently the fourth trending video on YouTube with over 100,000 views. On the track, the Vendetta DJ delivered with his usual uniqueness and smooth vocal flow as he discusses his talent and the fact that he is not easily threatened. Alkaline recently performed at Dream Weekend's World Vibes event last weekend. The event, held at Wonderworld on the Norman Manley Boulevard in the Grill, saw Alkaline performing his hit songs like Pretty Gal Team, Champion Boy, ATM, Formula, and City. Now, on the international scene, American rapper, producer, and songwriter Missy Elliott is set to be honored with MTV's prestigious Michael Jackson Video Vanguard Award. On Monday, she took to Twitter to make the big announcement. In her post, she thanked her fans who fought diligently to see this day come. Missy Elliott will be given the award at the VMAs that has been scheduled for August 26 from Prudential Center in Newark, New Jersey. The Work It rapper will also be performing live at the award show for the first time in 16 years. The five-time Grammy Award winner was the first female hip-hop artist to be inducted into the Songwriters Hall of Fame. She has also sold more than 30 million records worldwide thanks to her mega hits like Work It, Get Your Freak On, and WTF, Where They From. Missy Elliott is also the only female rapper to have 6 studio albums certified platinum. VMAs will be hosted by comedian, actor, and author Sebastian Maniscalco. That's it for this evening's edition of E-Prime. I am Daedren. Thank you for watching.